Hey everyone, let's check out what's new at IKEA. I absolutely love looking at their room displays and seeing how they're organized. I think this little organizer would be so cute in a little kid's room, and you can even paint it as well, or even have your kid paint it. That'd be a fun art project. And then there's a little desk. Now this coffee table is super cute. You'll see it in another room display as well. And I was curious how they organized underneath the sink in the laundry room, and let's find out. So I have a few things down there, not as much as I thought. But if you didn't know, a lot of drawers and cupboards are organized so you can actually look inside and see how they've got things situated. This is another room. This is a great option if you don't have a coat closet. And a really fancy setup here. And I thought this table was really nice. A little pricey, but nice. And I love the inside checkered box of these. I was trying to figure out what the price was, but I didn't find the price. And these are just another larger version of that. And these were $14.99. So I'm going to assume that the smaller ones were probably like $7.99 or so. And then this was a really soft suede chair, which I thought was cute. If it was a different color, I would totally get it. Now I love the way that they have this curtain behind this green sofa. I was thinking it'd be really cute if you had like maybe an apartment with exposed brick, and then you would use this curtain as a room divider and then hang up the plants like that. I think that would be really nice. And another green sofa. I'm definitely noticing a green theme this summer. And then a little office space. And then a couple quick views of bedrooms. That was a really nice white table. And of course, I have to look in the drawers. Now this one you can fit quite a bit in that drawer with those organizers. And these wood boxes too work really well for just organizing different things. And of course, these could be painted as well. I thought this was a really cute little kids table, like a little picnic table. You could even use that in a playroom, or you could use it outside. And I like this outdoor table and chairs as well. They had a lot of really cool cutting boards, and you could also use them as a charcuterie board. And then these would be really nice for outside, like if you had lemonade or something to drink in them. And these I thought were interesting. I would assume you would put like cream and sugar in these for coffee. And another charcuterie board. I like them with the handles, so it's actually something that you could pass around if you wanted to around the table. And my favorite thing about IKEA are their kitchen islands and these drawers. Can you believe how much you can put in these drawers? They're perfectly organized with these organizers. That is the absolute dream. And I love that they have lights built in as well. It's really cool. Now this kitchen setup is really interesting, and I think just getting ideas of where you can place your items, this would work really well if you didn't have that much cabinet space, and then you could hang something like that in the back with a bunch of little hooks. And then another organized drawer, we've got to see what's inside. And then this setup really reminded me of like inside of a kitchen restaurant with the steel in the back. These glasses were really cute. I believe they were real glass. Recently, I've also seen the exact same ones at Home Goods, except for they were acrylic. So the only downside with these is you have to buy them individually, which can be a little pricey. If they came in a full set, I would have totally got them. And another kitchen drawer we must check out. I just love how much space that these islands have. But you see the price there, $630. So of course we've got to see every drawer to see how they're organized. I love the little sprinkles there. And I like that you can fit a whole cutting board in there. And then those little organizers in the back and the upper left-hand corner are really cool. Those are the organizers with nothing in them, which is a pretty fair price for an organizer for a drawer. $6 or $7. Now that's the drawer if you didn't have any organizers. See how much better they look with organizers in them. And this spice rack I thought was a good idea if you don't have that much cabinet space or drawer space. And then another smaller kitchen. This pantry had so much stuff in there. I thought it was a really good idea. And it looks like those racks, I didn't try to pull them out. It looks like those racks probably could pull out. And then on the side there, you've got more racks. So you could really hold a lot of food with that small pantry. And this I thought was a neat idea for a bed. And you can keep so much stuff underneath in these drawers. This was like a little wood chop area. And a little organizer. I love looking in their closets just to see how they're organized. And this little rack is really convenient for hanging up pants. I thought it was cool that those were removable too, so just in case if you didn't want them in there, you could just remove them. Now this drawer didn't come out as much. I assumed it was going to come out so much more, but it didn't look like it could hold that much. I think I prefer these built-in drawers on the wall here. These were a neat idea for a bin. The only downside is they didn't have any structure to them, so they're a little wobbly when you pick them up, but they're super cute. You could fit a lot of sweaters in there. And then we've got another organizer. You could probably use that for like jewelry too. Yep, so this one is used for jewelry, and the other is for clothing. And we see those boxes again. Those were like mini hampers. And then I was just curious how they organize this little bathroom. These little shoe boxes I thought were a cute idea. We got some little nightstands. And this is just a quick little walk through the bed area. And this bed in the back I thought would be cute if you have like more of like a little beach theme. I thought this was a really nice white table, a little bit more on the pricey side. They have really nice wood tables as well. And a ton of those charcuterie boards. I really wanted to check out their stainless steel pans. I'm trying to replace all of my pans with stainless steel or cast iron just because it's healthier. And this is one of those charcuterie boards we'd seen in one of the kitchens. And the struggle was real, y'all, with trying to get to these with one hand. I could not. But these are really cute organizers. And so I found them at the bottom with actual tops to them as well. So that's kind of cool. And these little organizers I thought would be really good for like pasta or cereal. And then these caught my eye from far away. It looks like you could make like mini breads in this or like mini cakes. There's a cool design in there. These as well. This was interesting. It was like a cutting board, but it wasn't hard. So not sure what you'd really do with that. And of course, more stainless steel pans. I really wanted a larger set, so I didn't end up purchasing these. But of course, I had to think about it. And these I thought were interesting. It was more like a plastic top for your pots and pans. And this is the Tupperware that we saw in one of the kitchen drawers in the back. I really love the small size. And of course, I had to check out the gray plates. And then I thought these napkin holders looked interesting with the rose design, and they're only $1.49. And then I thought there are some interesting lamps. It's a little harder to see with the light. It's always fun just to see what pictures they have. I thought this was like a cute little home sign. And then their little garden section. So I thought these are some nice little lanterns. I really like the black ones. I think that would look really cute with candles in them. And then these you could use in different areas like a bathroom or a desk or a bedroom. And then that would be really nice to hold toothbrushes. So that's all for this shopping trip. So until next time, I'll see you later.